Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is equivocate. It is spelt E-Q-U-I-V-O-C-A-T-E. Think ek like the beginning of equal. I-V-O and then Kate with a C. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Equivocate refers to the act of being vague or ambiguous in speech or behavior, often in order to deceive or avoid committing to a clear position. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is not being straightforward or honest. For example, you could say, he equivocated when asked about his involvement in the crime. Or, she equivocated when asked if she'd finished her homework. The word equivocate comes from the Latin word equivocus, which means of equal voice. It was originally used to refer to someone who speaks with equal voice about two opposite things. In Despicable Me, the villain Vector equivocates when he is accused of stealing the Great Pyramid of Giza. He initially denies involvement, but later admits to the theft when confronted with evidence. He equivocates in order to avoid the blame. Synonyms for equivocate are be vague, hedge, evade, and prevaricate. Antonyms for equivocate include be clear, be honest, be straightforward, and be specific. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, equivocate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.